In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Asana to Outlook. We'll walk through getting the add-in installed, creating tasks from your inbox, and linking emails to existing work so your team has the right context without leaving Outlook. Start by opening Outlook. Look for the Get Add-ins option, which is usually under the three-dot menu in the message toolbar or near the ribbon. Depending on your layout, click that to open the add-in store. In the search bar, type Asana, then select the Asana for Outlook add-in and click Get It Now. Outlook may take a moment to add it, and you might see a brief confirmation. Once it's installed, you'll notice an Asana icon appear in your message view for easy access. If you don't see it right away, try selecting an email first, or give Outlook a moment to refresh. Now let's turn an email into actionable work. With an email open, click the Asana icon. If you are prompted, log in or sign up to your Asana account so the add-in can connect. Choose Create Asana Task. You'll see a panel where you can fill in the task details. Keep the task title clear and concise, ideally mirroring the main point of the email so it's easy to find later. Use the description field to capture any specifics you want teammates to see at a glance. If your workflow includes due dates, assignees, or projects, select those here so the task lands in the right place. When you are ready, click Create Task. This keeps important requests from getting buried in your inbox and puts them on your team's radar in Asana. If the email belongs with work that already exists, you don't need a new task. Instead, choose Open Asana Add-in. Then search for and select the existing task. The add-in will link the email to that task as a comment, preserving the message context right where your team collaborates. This is helpful for updates, approvals, or clarifications that support ongoing work without fragmenting the conversation across tools. A quick note on compatibility so you are set up for success. The Asana add-in works with Outlook 2020, on Windows, the latest Outlook desktop app, and Outlook 2019 on Mac. If you are on one of these, you are good to go. If your interface looks different, check that you are using a supported version and that add-ins are enabled by your organization. That's it, thanks for watching.